you know, you know. What's going on? What's happening? What's cracking? We got one more. We back at it. We back at it. I said I wouldn't do it. Nah, I lied. We gonna keep doing it. Hey, what would you like? Yo, what's going on, Josh? Kicking it, crew. How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? How y'all? What's going on? What's popping? Y'all good? I hope y'all good. Hey, y'all, thank y'all for y'all support. Do me a favor, if you're new here, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and most important thing, just make sure you subscribe. Hit that button. It's free to subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button. Let's run these numbers up. Hey, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it any way how possible. You know, right? You know what I'm saying? Yo, shout out to DTLR. If you got one near you, shop with them. They go hard. They go hard. QR code, whatever. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. They sell clothes. They sell shoes. They sell the whole 9 yards. These, I've been looking at these for a minute, and I just wasn't sure on them, right? It's shoes like that. Like, you just don't be sure on them. And I wasn't sure on these. I said, let me try them. Let me try them. Let me see if they can work for me. And I tried them on in the store, and they work for me, y'all. They're comfortable. I'm telling y'all, I'm about comfort, and I'm about the style of stuff. It gotta be comfort though. And I'm looking for colors and stuff that I just don't have in my collection. So when you find stuff or you see stuff that like, because a lot of times we search the internet for shoes before we even go in the store and see them. Or we go in the store and see them before we see them on. But in my case, I look at them online before I go in these stores and see any shoe. And that's when I get my ideas of what I want or how I want it. And then I sit on them. Right now is the time where you can sit on the shoe and wait till it's gonna sell. But anyways, nevertheless, let's quit talking about it. Let's be about it. Let's get into these shoes here. Let's get into them. Of course, we got the big Nike box. It's been a minute. Been a minute. We got the big Nike box. Nah, I ain't even gonna be the thumbnail. I don't even know. But yo, we got the big box. These are clean. I haven't seen too much talk about these. So we looking at Nike Air Max TL 2.5. I seen a couple colors of these, but I haven't seen these. So these are white and wild grape and black. So let's get into them. Bam, bam, bam. Like I said, I tried these on in the store. These are size 12. They run, I'm gonna say they run true to size. I think if I'd have got my size 11, my true to size 11, I think they would have fit straight. But this is a 12, and they fit too comfortable. So here we go. Here. This is an Air Max that has a lot going on. You got the 2006 on the tongue. I wasn't a huge fan of these shoes when they came out. I didn't even know nothing about these when they came out, so you gotta forgive me. I'm seeing it saying 2006 on here. If you know some history on these, drop it down, make a comment, whatever you need to do. If you know the history on these, I do not know the history. I did not look it up, just for the reason I like the shoe, just for that reason. This has an Air Max 97 bottom though, base here on there. I like that. You got some leather on here, mesh at the top here. You got the purple in the Nike sign. These definitely might go crazy with a different lace swap in them. Leather up here. I don't even think that's leather. I think that's just like a no, that's leather. It's leather. It's just over the top of the mesh. Okay. No, you got leather here. That bottom go crazy. Got full length air on it. That Air Max TL 2.5. So once again, I don't know the history of these. The Air Max or Max Air, however you want to put it. These are comfortable. Ride comfort performance. They even got, man, look at the base on that. If y'all can look at that. Like, it's certain things about shoes that make you want to get a different shoe or another shoe that make you be like, I like these. And it's certain things on the shoe that I like. I like that Nike sound. I like that purple. I'm trying to add some more purple into my collection, some more different colored greens, some more just really just broaden my horizon in shoes. My last video with the Asics went crazy, so please go check that out. But these here, that Nike on the back, go crazy. That mesh at the top, this is a dope shoe. If y'all get a chance, cop it. Once again, I'm gonna tell you, like I always tell you, wear what you like. Wear what you like. You don't have to like these. I'm not making you like them. I like them. They have a bunch of different colors of these. I think an all black pair will go crazy. But yes, 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 y'all. These are clean, cleansed in my opinion. Yeah. So do me a favor. Hit that like, comment, share. Do whatever you gotta do. Make sure you show support. I don't care if you dislike it, hit the dislike button. Just show some support. Yo, this your boy, Josh Kicking It. We went out with another one. Nah, hey, y'all stay blessed. Y'all be blessed and always find a way to get y'all blessing. Yo, we are